Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to connect new Bluetooth device on your HP OmniBook X. So firstly you should open settings. To do that, just open start menu, then find settings here in Paint, or just use search to find settings. So open settings and then just find Bluetooth and devices in the left panel. Here click add device, and now you should put your device when you connect to your Windows, to your HP OmniBook X, into the pairing mode. If you don't know how to do that, just try to find this device on our YouTube channel. Maybe we recorded a video about how to put in pairing mode this device, but in my case I wanna put in pairing mode my keyboard, so I just press in the button to put my device in pairing mode. Now it's in pairing mode, and when the device is in pairing mode, just click Bluetooth, and here you will see your device. So click on it, wait a while, and after a while it will be successfully connected. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video and bye. See you next time.